Hello, I Shivam Baluchavan. I learn in 8th class from Yeshwant Ideal Hostel, Gangakhed. Today I speak about sentences of simple past tense. I wrote a story. मी गोष्ट लिहिली. We wrote a story. आम्ही गोष्ट लिहिली. You wrote a story. तू गोष्ट लिहिलीस. You wrote a story. तुम्ही गोष्ट लिहिली. He wrote a story. त्याने गोष्ट लिहिली. She wrote a story. तिने गोष्ट लिहिली. It wrote a story. त्याने गोष्ट लिहिली. Rama wrote story. रामाने गोष्ट लिहिली. Sita wrote story. सीताने गोष्ट लिहिली.
Hello, I am Tidetoy Teotatai. I am 99 that to am yet not idea than that today I say 10 of simple past tense. I went to meet idea, we went to amit idea, you went to idea at you went to meet idea, they went to take idea, he went to idea, he went to teach idea, he went to Tita idea, Nama went to Nama idea, Tita went to Tita idea.
Hello, I am Prashant Tangobakaja. I am learning in 9th class from Yeshwant Ideal Hostel, Gangakhed. Today I speak sentences. I ate a mango, me amba khala. We ate a mango, ami amba khala. You ate a mango, tu amba khala. She ate a mango, tu mi amba khala. They ate a mango, tyani amba khala. He ate a mango, tyane amba khala. She ate a mango, tine amba khala. It ate a mango, tyane amba khala. He Rama ate a mango, Rama ne amba khala. Sita ate a mango, Sita ne amba khala. Thank you.
Hello, I am Bhavisri Helbamunda. I am learning in 9th class from Yeshwant Ideal Hostel. Today I say about sentence of past perfect tense. Formula is yes plus had plus V3 plus O. I had studied, मी अभ्यास केलेला होता. We had studied, आम्ही अभ्यास केलेला होता. You had studied, तू अभ्यास केलेला होता. You had studied, तुम्ही अभ्यास केलेला होता. He had studied, त्याने अभ्यास केलेला होता. She had studied, तिने अभ्यास केलेला होता. It had studied, त्याने अभ्यास केलेला होता. They had studied, त्यांनी अभ्यास केलेला होता. Rama had studied, रामने अभ्यास केलेला होता. Sima had studied, सीमाने अभ्यास केलेला होता.
Hello, I Vaishnavi Dattafad. I am learning in 8th class from Yeshwant Ideal Hostel, Gangakhed. Today I say about sentences of past continuous tense. Formula is yes plus was were plus we for plus object. I was asking question. मी प्रश्न विचारत होते. We were asking question. आम्ही प्रश्न विचारत होतो. You were asking question. तू प्रश्न विचारत होतीस. You were asking question. तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारत होतात. They were asking question. ते त्या प्रश्न विचारत होते. He was asking question. तो प्रश्न विचारत होता. She was asking question. ती प्रश्न विचारत होती. It was asking question. ते प्रश्न विचारत होते. Ram was asking question. राम प्रश्न विचारत होता. Sita was asking question. सीता प्रश्न विचारत होते.
Hello, I am Tidetoy Teotatai. I am 99 that to am yet not idea rather than that today I take definition of Newton law of motion. Newton but no of motion. An object continues to remain at net in the state of uniform motion. Dion the state 9 on net and net ion behind the post at on it. Newton's theory of motion, the net of change of momentum is proportional to that by force, and the change of momentum also in the direction of the force. Newton's theory of motion.
Hello, I am Vishnu Rovnath Hardili. Today I sense practice. I play, मी खेळतो. We play, आम्ही खेळतो. You play, तू खेळतोस. You play, तुम्ही खेळतात. They play, ते ती खेळतात. He plays, तो खेळतो. She plays, ती खेळते. He plays, तो खेळतो. It plays, ते खेळतात. Rama plays, रामा खेळतो. Sita plays, सीता खेळते.
Hello, I Sagar Shojnawadi. I am learning in 8th class from Yeshwant Ideal Hostel, Gangakhed. Today I speak about sentences of simple future tense. I shall ask a question. मी प्रश्न विचारेल. We shall ask a question. आम्ही प्रश्न विचारू. You will ask a question. तू प्रश्न विचारशील. You will ask a question. तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारताल. They will ask a question. ते प्रश्न विचारतील. He will ask question. ते प्रश्न विचारेल. He will ask question. ती प्रश्न विचारेल. It will ask question. ते प्रश्न विचारेल. Rama will ask question. रामा प्रश्न विचारेल. मयुरी will ask question. मयुरी प्रश्न विचारेल. Thank you.
God. God म्हणजे
गॉट.
GOD गॉट गॉट म्हणजे मिळाली.
गॅप.
GAP गॅप गॅप म्हणजे हट.
डॉग.
DOG डॉग डॉग म्हणजे कुत्रा.
कॅट.
CAT कॅट कॅट म्हणजे मांजर.
मी.
मी म्हणजे मला.